So I'm just talking to Jeff this morning, looking at these floors, and I just really feel the need to share a few things. So first of all, we bought this house with the thought that there was all kinds of foundation issues in this sunroom area. And because this area up here kept continuing cracking and whatnot. And so Jeff and I did extra foundation work, or we got a company to come in and do extra before we built the pool, because I didn't want there to be continual issues and then, you know, we have issues with the pool. So anyway, it turns out that really, was it a foundation issue? It doesn't look like it was at all. It looks like it was a slab. There was cracks in the slab that needed to get adhered to, which these flooring geniuses did an amazing job. But really it was crappy framing. So there were issues with the framing. When Jeff demoed everything, there was Jeff, what kind of, there was all kinds of issues with the framing.
In the hip. The hip was sagging.
Right.
In the ceiling, which caused the cracks in the ceiling. So everybody thought that the foundation was moving, but really the ceiling was sagging a bit. So we ripped all that down and did some reframing in the roof and lifted the roof about 3 inches, and problem solved. No foundation issues at all.
So they floated the floor. The floor feels like a brand new construction. That's what it feels like right now. And I just find it so interesting, because when we bought the house, it came with the foundation company, 100% warranty, lifetime warranty or whatever. And it's like, it had nothing to do with that to begin with. And then we did more you know, with that other company that we got in here to do more piles and whatever. And here it wasn't even that. So anyway, I guess bottom line is everything is fixable. And this is, I'm really glad that we've got it fixed properly now. So anyway, that's it. Have a good one. So this is the crack that I was referring to, that the company, the foundation company, did this big fat warranty, and it was a joke, because what needed to be done was what these guys did, where they drilled it out, then put this resin in and adhered the two pieces of the slab together, and then did the thin set, or not the thin set, they did concrete over top of that. So they did a lot of concrete to level off the floors. 100 bags of concrete in that area, if you can imagine, and then the thin set. So yeah, it was a little bit of a shocker in terms of what we were thinking the cost might be to get these floors completely finished and looking really good. But yeah, a little bit of a shocker. But the end result is awesome. It feels like a brand new slab. It really does. So this is what Jeff was talking about when it came to the so-called foundation problem. This is where the roof was sagging. That's why the ceiling was cracking. So very interesting. So be careful when you hear the